Have you ever wondered why the moon has so many scars and craters all over its surface? These marks are actually tales of destruction written millions of years ago. They are impact craters created by asteroids crashing from space. But here's the shocking truth. It's not just the moon that's a target. Our Earth is also spinning through space as a vulnerable target waiting to be hit. Imagine Mount Everest-sized rock traveling at thousands of kilometers per hour slamming into our ground. What would happen? Cities would be nothing. Entire regions would be obliterated, oceans would boil, the sky would turn black. Today we're discussing the terrifying impact craters right here on Earth. Let's travel to South Africa, where you'll find the oldest and largest impact crater in the world. Approximately 2 billion years ago, when life on Earth existed only as tiny microscopic cells, a 15-kilometer-wide asteroid crashed into our planet. The explosion from this collision was millions of times more powerful than any nuclear bomb humans could ever create. This crater spans 300 kilometers wide. You cannot see it from the ground. You have to go to space to witness it. Over time, wind and rain have erased its edges. But for scientists, it remains an open book, telling stories about Earth's history. Now let's travel to Canada, where the Sudbury Crater exists. This story is different, because destruction brought wealth and fortune. Approximately 1.5 billion years ago, a massive comet struck here. This impact melted Earth's outer layer and precious metals rose from deep inside our planet to the surface. Today, much of the world's nickel and copper comes from this location. It's incredible that something meant to bring destruction has become a major part of Canada's economy. People there say we live on a space gift. For when it fell, the scene must have been like hell itself, with fire and molten lava everywhere. However, the most famous and terrifying story belongs to Mexico. This was a time when dinosaurs ruled Earth. They were huge, powerful, and must have thought nothing could destroy them. But then came Chicxulub asteroid from space. This event happened approximately 65 million years ago. When this asteroid crashed into Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, it changed our world forever. Scientists say the impact created so much dust and dirt that it covered the entire Earth in darkness for years. Sunlight stopped reaching the ground. Plants died, then animals that ate plants died. Massive tsunamis flooded the oceans and showed no mercy to even the largest continents. This crater is invisible to us today because half of it lies beneath the ocean and half lies beneath the ground. They say if this asteroid had fallen slightly left or right, or arrived a few minutes later, perhaps dinosaurs would still be alive today, and humans would never have existed.